Here are some cool facts you should know, pun intended. Boiling water can actually freeze faster than cold water. This is called the Mpemba effect. The exact reason is still debated, but things like evaporation, convection, and dissolved gases all play a role. Space isn't cold the way you think it is. Direct sunlight in space actually reaches temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, but in the shade they plummet to negative 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The lack of air just makes heat transfer super tricky. Your freezer actually works by moving heat. Freezers don't actually create cold. Instead, they pump heat out of the box and into your kitchen. That's why the back of your fridge feels warm. The coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth was negative 144 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. That's colder than dry ice, which sits at negative 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. Did you know that liquid nitrogen actually boils at room temperature? Sure, it looks like it's super cold and it actually is, but this is because its boiling point is negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why it instantly turns to vapor when exposed to air. Did you know you can cool pure water below freezing without turning it to ice? This is called supercooling. The water stays liquid until something disturbs it, then it flash freezes instantly. Did you know absolute zero is currently unreachable? Scientists can get within a fraction of a degree of absolute zero. Absolute zero sits at negative 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit. At absolute zero, atoms would stop moving completely, which quantum physics says can't quite happen. Cold air is more dense than warm air because the molecules are packed closer together. That's why cold air sinks and why basements feel cooler than attics. Did you know when metal gets cold, it actually contracts and becomes slightly smaller? Engineers actually have to account for this whenever they're building something. Did you know that you can actually get a freeze burn? I know, it sounds like an oxymoron, but it's true. Touching something extremely cold like liquid nitrogen or dry ice can burn your skin just like from a fire. It's called a cold burn because the tissue damage is almost the same as heat burns. Which one of these facts did you find the coolest? Let me know in the comments.